A repo called Open Codesign hit 2,334 GitHub stars in 7 days. It is an Electron desktop app that turns prompts into shippable HTML pages, PDFs, and PowerPoint decks, multi-modal, bring your own key, fully local. The whole thing is positioned as an open-source alternative to Claude Design, and importantly, it is not affiliated with Anthropic. Different team, different org, MIT licensed. Let's break down what it does, why it is trending, and what to know before you install a 1-week-old desktop app. Open Codesign is a desktop app, Electron-based, ships.dmg for macOS, .exe for Windows, AppImage and Deb and RPM for Linux. You install it, you bring an API key for whichever model you want to use, Anthropic, OpenAI, Gemini, DeepSeek, Kimi, GLM, Allama, OpenRouter, or any OpenAI-compatible endpoint. The headline feature is a one-click import that reads your existing Claude code or codex config and pulls in providers, models, and keys automatically. 12 built-in design skill modules, dashboards, landing pages, slide decks, SVG charts, glassmorphism, editorial typography, heroes, pricing pages, footers, chat UIs, data tables, calendars. You type a prompt, the agent panel streams tool calls live, and you get an exportable artifact in under a minute. Installation has 3 platform-native paths: macOS, brew install dash cask, OpenCoWork AI /tap /open-codesign. Windows, wingit install OpenCoWork AI.OpenCodesign. Linux, you get the app image from the v1.4 GitHub release, chmod plus x, run it. After install, launch the app, click import from Claude code, and the app auto-detects your ~.claude/settings.json file and pulls in your providers and keys automatically. No retyping API keys, no reconfiguring models. The first run experience is genuinely friction-free if you have already configured Claude code on the machine. If you have a codex config instead, the same import flow detects that too. Both paths land you in the same place. Here's the feature that maps perfectly to a mobile view. Open Codesign ships built-in preview frames, desktop, tablet, and phone, side by side with the full canvas. When the agent generates a landing page or a dashboard, you do not have to imagine what it looks like at 430 pixels wide. The phone frame renders the actual artifact at iPhone proportions in real time. Same for tablet. That responsive preview is what the team highlights on the marketing site, and it is what differentiates Open Codesign from a generic prompt to HTML pipeline. You see the responsive story before you export. Designers who have to ship for mobile-first audiences get a real workflow win out of the box. The product site at opencoworkai.github.io/opencodesign is itself responsive, and it is a clean live demo of the responsive design philosophy the app is built on. Scroll through it on mobile, and you see the same patterns the app generates. Hero with screenshot, feature blocks with phone frame screenshots, skill module gallery, provider list, install commands per platform. The whole site is a meta demonstration of what you can build with the tool. Worth scrolling through on a real phone before you install. If the site itself feels like the kind of artifact you want to ship, that is your strongest signal that the tool fits your workflow. Conversely, if you scroll through and think the design language is not yours, save yourself the install. GitHub repo at github.com/opencoworkai/open-codesign. TypeScript at 90.5%. MIT licensed. 530 commits across the past week. That is roughly 75 commits per day, which is wild velocity for a brand new project. 5.1.4 shipped on April 23rd, and added 3 things worth calling out. GPT Image 2 image generation, ChatGPT Plus OAuth login, so you do not need to manage an API key separately if you have a Plus subscription, and CLI proxy API auto detection. 47 open issues already, proportional to age, but real. The release notes for v0.1.4 mention a big reliability wave, which tells you the earlier 0.1.x versions had genuine rough edges. Pin yourself to v0.1.4 or later, and you skip most of them. Provider support is generous. Anthropic for Claude, OpenAI for GPT, Gemini for Google, DeepSeek, Kimi, GLM for the China stack, Allama for fully local, OpenRouter and SiliconFlow for aggregator routing, and a generic OpenAI-compatible endpoint for anything else. LM Studio, VLLM, your own deployment, you bring your own key for any of these. The app does not lock you to a provider, and you can swap models on a per-prompt basis if you want to compare outputs. Designers who pay for ChatGPT Plus already can use the new OAuth login flow that landed in v0.1.4. No separate OpenAI API key required, the subscription works through the same browser flow ChatGPT itself uses. That is genuinely useful for designers who do not want a second billing surface to manage. The README opens with a clean mission statement that captures the philosophy. Local first. Bring your own model, your laptop, your key, your prompts. The team behind it is the Open Cowork AI org. Different group from Anthropic, separate codebase, MIT licensed. Their other major repo is Open Cowork, sitting at 981 stars, branded as a Claude Cowork alternative. So this is a pattern. A team building open source alternatives to Anthropic's closed products. Whether you think that is healthy ecosystem hygiene or trademark edge surfing depends on your perspective. The license is permissive, the code is real, the work shipped, and the absence of a formal non-affiliation disclaimer in the README is a small omission you should fill in for yourself before you adopt the tool in a corporate environment. Honest limitations. 1. This is 1 week old. Created April 18, 2026. Star count is hot, but the project is unproven at scale. Use it for experiments, not production-critical workflows yet. 2. Pre 1.0. v0.1.4 is the latest, and the changelog flags a big reliability wave, meaning earlier versions had real rough edges. Install v0.1.4 or later only. 3. The Open Cowork AI naming is intentionally evocative of Anthropic's Cowork product, but the org is not affiliated with Anthropic, and the README does not include a formal disclaimer to that effect. Worth knowing if your team has trademark sensitivity policies. 4. Electron Desktop App, not a CLI. The install commands are CLI, but the experience is a GUI. 5. 47 open issues with the project a week old. Active triage, but real bugs exist. Open Codesign is a clean, fast, week-old open-source response to Claude Design. The one-click config import, the desktop tablet phone preview frames, the genuine multi-model BYOK story, and the local first design make it worth an afternoon of exploration. Just know what you are installing. A pre-1.0 Electron app from a week-old project with no Anthropic affiliation. If those trade-offs work for you, brew install or wing it install, or grab the app image, and you are running in 2 minutes. If this breakdown helped, subscribe at Prism Lab Scion. We cover every open-source AI tool that ships, plus the broader Anthropic and OpenAI ecosystem. Repo and product site links in the description. See you in the next one.